Here is the Infiniti QX60. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the light over there. In order to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now there's no way to access the bulb from inside. We have to get the light out of the body, and for that we have to take out two bolts, 1 and 2, the middle one there, two bolts, and for that you will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. So let's go ahead and start taking the bolts out one by one. Do not lose them, keep them somewhere safe. Repeat the process for the other one. Now grab the light and rock it loose. Now we have to pull the light out towards the side, like it comes out and pops out towards the side, not towards the back of the car. Pops out to the side just the way I'm showing. There are two pins over there which are holding it in place. 1 and 2, those are the holes for the pins. 1 and 2, those are the pins themselves. They are popped in there and we have to yank it out of there. Grab that bulb holder, twist it left, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 7440. Check the link in the description to get the new one from Amazon for yourself, and simply push it down back in the bulb holder. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. And now let's put this light back in place. Yeah, we have to first make sure that those two pins, they go into the holes there. 1 and 2 right there. Alright, at this point, just give it a final push to push it back in place. Now we can just hand tighten those two bolts back in there. 1, repeat the process for the second one, and then tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination. Do not over tighten them, it's plastic there, you don't want to crack it by over tightening it. And that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.